How much vitamin D do you need? How do you get it? Let me tell you about why vitamin D is so important. And it's primarily because vitamin D has so many different functions, and it's really not even a vitamin. It actually acts more like a hormone and controls many different genes, as well as reducing your rate of inflammation. You make vitamin D yourself from cholesterol. You need the cholesterol the body makes to make vitamin D. Vitamin D in the skin, in the epidermis, is activated by sunlight, but it's only activated by sunlight and becomes an active form so that it works in you in the months basically from March through November. The rest of the time, you rely on your stores of vitamin D to do all the things it does. Vitamin D has a great function in immunity. It helps to activate the gene that kills cancer cells, gene P53. And by having enough vitamin D, that gene makes the protein that you need to catch DNA errors, essentially. In the months that you make vitamin D from the sun, it's estimated that you make about 1,000 units of it if you get 15 minutes on your face, your hands, and your arms. You cannot make vitamin D if you sit by the window and get light through the window, because the window is blocking the UVB light that you need to activate vitamin D in your skin so it can become active and help to regulate genes. How much vitamin D should you take if your levels are low? And a low level is generally thought to be either 20 international units or 30. I like 30 because it seems to have extra insurance against some immune problems. But it should be above 30 in order for you to have a normal vitamin D level. You can get vitamin D from food. Milk, including non-dairy milk, is fortified with it. Cereals are often fortified with it. Many foods are fortified with vitamin D. You can get it from fish, particularly omega-3 rich fish. You can get it from eggs when the chickens have been fed flaxseed and walnut and even omega-3 itself. Once winter passes, walking daily for 30 minutes is enough to generate enough vitamin D so you don't need supplements. So walking daily outside in some place where you get direct light is powerful medicine. And a walk every day does other really important things for you. But focusing on vitamin D, it allows you to activate the vitamin D in your skin if your arms and legs are exposed. Almost 60% of us are vitamin D deficient, but that's a really easily correctable problem. Vitamin D is key for your immunity.